Today's wine text is the 2015 Tinazzi Rocchi Amarone Della Valpolicella from Italy. So guys, I know we've done a couple Amarones in the past, and this is kind of a style of wine, to me, within the world of wine, is easily one of the fullest styles, and within this, in the country of Italy, it's easily the fullest bodied style of wine. I know I mentioned before, and I want to kind of go over it again, the way they make the wines after they pick them, they actually dry them out on straw mats, which brings up the concentration of the juices and the sugars in the juice. So when the yeast and the concentration of the wine, when the yeast eats the sugars, the alcohol tends to be a little bit higher, and the actual structure and the body of the wine is very, very full. So this is a cool small production. It's got an insane score, which you'll see on the text. But I'm expecting a lot of fruit up front. And because think about, sun-made raisins and those things, when these grapes are raisinating, you're going to get a little bit of that profile as well, because they are still grapes and they're becoming raisins on those straw mats, and those juices are concentrating. Really cool stuff, and I'm really excited to taste it. Right off the bat, I can see while I'm pouring it, the wine is super dark. Like, I can barely see through it. That's just honestly the concentration of the juices. And I expect the wine to be, massively full-bodied. On the nose, actually, right off the bat, I get a little bit of earth, a little bit of this clay thing going on, and then the fruits really pile in. Lots of dark cherry, lots of dark raspberry, almost like a blueberry jam thing going on. And there's definitely a ton of earth, leather, kind of tobacco as well. This is a very full body wine. Tannins are really, really strong. The fruits are all still there. The earth is coming through. The higher alcohol definitely makes it heavy, and it's pretty apparent in the wine. But I think the intensity of the wine actually matches it as well. This is 2015, which is actually pretty young for Amarone. I find that, Amarones need a decent amount of time to settle in. But I think it's a pretty approachable wine now. I'd still say you could lay it down for the next 10, 15 years. It would probably get better over time. Really good stuff. Really tasty wine. I know Amarone is one of the most popular collectible wines from Italy, and I'm really excited to bring it to you. Enjoy.